Okay, so looking at the brakes, this is from the left side. I was able to figure out how to remove these springs. Okay, so this one, which is looking at this orientation, this will be on the bottom, so it'll be on the first. And this spring right here will be on top of that on this post. And I got these tools from Harbor Freight. I have no idea how to use these guys. I have to YouTube them. But anyway, it comes with 3 tools. One looks like that. Look like a flat screwdriver, but went through the ringer, got all bent out of shape. And then you have this tool, which I have no idea what that is. Yeah, no idea. And then this has to do something with the springs. So then I looked at this part right here. And I go, I wonder if this goes like that. And then it grabs that spring and then it pulls it away from the post. And you can just pull it right up. So I got this one loose. So anyway, I'm putting everything in this oil drain tub with diesel fuel. I didn't want to use gasoline or any other. So before I move on, okay, so this is from the left side. I want to make sure that these springs, that looks like that. Okay. Then I'm going to pull the one on the right. And let me see if they're the exact same. So this is the right. Yeah, they are exact same. And since they are exact same, I can soak them here in diesel fuel. So I think if it's like an automotive, like my truck, then this, where's that bent out of shape screwdriver? I think this should be able to pop up, right? I don't know. Anyway, and then this is the oh, look at this. This feels like a spring of some sort. But I think you should be able to. I think this should come off. I don't know. Guys, help me out here. The manual isn't really specific as far as step by step. You know, like rebuild brakes for dummies. Does that even look like it's moving? No, it doesn't look like it's moving. But these shoes should be able to come out. So this is actually a one piece. This right here, it looks like a one piece. Oh, look, there's a spring on this side. There's a spring right here. So if I loosen that spring, can I use this one here? Yeah, I might have to use some pliers. But that spring right here holds the shoes toward the body. So if I release that spring, then I think this one comes out. And I think something to do with these nuts. I think they have to come out too, so that way it releases this bracket right here, which looks like it's part of the shoe. Anyway, I've been using a paintbrush to clean. It seems like it works. I mean, I remember my dad used to use gasoline, but that's pretty volatile. This one takes a little longer, I guess, than gasoline, but it's a lot safer to get diesel to burn. You have to have compression. In other words, if I put a match to this here, this tub, I don't think it's gonna burn. I mean, eventually it will, but you have to have a torch. Yeah. So diesel works. Nothing wrong with using diesel. Anyway, I want to study the manual more and see how this all works out. Yeah. One step at a time. Okay. I got this the shoe brakes, the brake shoes off by pulling this one here all the way to the right out, and I used this right here to prop that up, and it cleared this, and I was able to then do the same thing on the left side. Sorry about the focus. And then I was able to then release that spring that was holding it back. So now I can just take this out. I've been brushing it the outside, look at that, with a brush. And now I'm just gonna let the inside soak for a little bit. And then, yeah, clean everything up. Good. So tomorrow probably I'll work on these on the lining. Drill these rivets out and then put new ones on. Yep. So that's soak. Anyway. So after I cleaned this out with diesel fuel, remember how it looked up before? It was all grimy and ugly, and anyway, I scrubbed it all off with diesel fuel. This is the inside of it. Looks good, huh? Anyway, once everything is clean, then I took the diesel fuel off with brake cleaner. Excuse me. Just spray everything and then just let it drip off. I missed a spot right there. I'll use that brush, steel brush with that. But as far as the inside, nice and dry. So I'll do the same thing with the one on the tractor itself right there. Yep. Looks good.